shower head removal day. New shower head. We're gonna go with the Kohler. So here it is, multi-function shower head. There's the code 1005-498-825. And we're gonna go put it on, okay? Let's do it. Here we are again. I'm just taking this out of the package, and I probably could have got away with changing this little O-ring in here, little gasket. But I just want to freshen it up. Might as well put another one on. So, just putting a rag over the fitting and turning it just to break it loose. We'll go ahead and take this fitting off. All right. As you can see, the gasket was missing off this. That's why it was leaking. We could have just changed the gasket. I really didn't know the brand of this. It just has a button on there. So I just went ahead and replaced it and make everything clean and fresh. The new one was $23, so it had everything I need and a filter. It had a gasket and a filter for the new one. I just put this Teflon on here, but it doesn't hurt. Get you some Teflon wrap. You can find Teflon for about $1 in any hardware store. So you want to wrap it in the direction that you're going to be putting it on. So you'll give it a little wrap. Make sure you got a good watertight seal. And then break that off, put that on there. And we'll go ahead and tighten on our new shower head. Fit it on there. And we'll do the same thing. We'll tighten it, and then we're gonna go ahead and place some type of cloth over the fitting so we don't scratch it up. Okay? And we'll give it a little snug tight. All right. Should be good. And we'll try it out. All right. Nice. Nothing leaking. Different settings. Okay, we can deal with that. There it is, guys. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.